Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to change your username in Windows laptop. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Windows PC. So with that being said, let me show you how. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here on where you have your Windows Start menu right here. Right click on the Start menu. And this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to system. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to about right here. Click on about. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on rename this PC. And this window here is going to pop up. Rename your PC. You can use a combination of letters, hyphen, and numbers when you are trying to rename your PC. Current PC name will be given. Then right here, come down below right here and enter your new name. Let's say, for instance, I'm changing to this. Then once you enter your new name, click on next, and the name will be changed into your current, and the name will be changed into the current one you enter right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to change your username in your Windows laptop. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.